Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Trading Toolx. Today I'm excited to announce my new tool that is Automatic Straddle and Strangle Chart that has been released on tradingtoolx.com. So let me show quick demo of this new feature and let me show you explain some strategy that you can use with this tool. So after logging in, please click on this Auto Straddle Strangle. So it will open something like this. So you guys know what is straddle. Straddle is the same strike price. Strangle is some nearby OTM strike price, and the liquid I will explain later. For example, if you open the straddle chart here, let me find what is the current straddle price here. Go to advanced option chain. If you look at the Nifty 16th expiry, the current spot price is 10,768. So which is the nearest strike price to the 10,768, that is 10,750. So both the call option and put option in the same strike price is called straddle. So if you open Nifty straddle chart, so it has opened both 10,750 CE and 750 PE. So when the Nifty moves to 10,820, so the current straddle price, that is current spot price, will be 10,800. So that will be the ATM strike price. So this chart will automatically get updated to 10,800 CE and 10,800 PE. So you don't have to choose different strike price in the advanced option chain. So it will automatically get adjusted. That is the automatic straddle chart. Likewise, same goes for strangle chart. Strangle is nothing but the nearby strike price above this spot price and the nearby strike price below the spot price. So for this, about 10,768, that is 10,800, and below 10,768, that is 10,750. So this both strangle chart will be opened like this, 10,800 CE and 10,750 PE. So this is the strangle chart, and let me tell you what is liquid chart. If you open 23rd July of Bank Nifty, what happens is it chooses the nearby strangle price. That is, if you open 23rd July, so nearby of the, sorry, let me open the Bank Nifty. So it just opened the nearby 22,400 and 22,300. But as we can see, there is no open interest or there is no liquidity at all. So our strangle chart looks like this, full of noise. So to automatically choose the highest nearby liquid option in this expiry, you can choose the liquid option. And if you click open now, it will automatically choose the highly liquid strike price, that is 23,000. Nearby, only near 23,000, there is some liquidity. You can see around 676 lots of open interest. And if you look at the PE, that is 22,000. So in 22,000 there is around 500 lots in the PE open interest. So it will automatically choose the highly liquid strike price for this. So this is the liquid. So we saw all these three. And to open multiple chart, you can click on like this. If you are doing calendar spread, it will be very useful. So yeah, so it automatically open all the 4 strike price, that is current week, next week of Nifty, and current week of Bank Nifty, and the next week of Bank Nifty. So you can also open monthly. Also, when there is a movement in the spot price, if the Bank Nifty goes above 200 points or 100 points, this page will be automatically updated to the nearby liquid strike price, or whatever. If you are choosing the straddle, automatically the straddle price will be updated, so you don't have to refresh or update anything. So now let me teach the strategy that you can use with this. So I will recommend you to choose the liquid one if you are just referring to the IV. So you can choose the liquid one and choose this 3 expiry or 2 expiry, whichever expiry you are gonna trade. And please note that one more important thing, the IV pattern of all the call option of this expiry will be similar. For example, 10,900 also will have similar IV pattern like this. Exactly, it will be same like this. And again for the P, all the P of the 16 July, it will be in the same similar pattern like this. And for Nifty next week expiry, same like I told, all the call option IV will have similar pattern and all the put option will have similar pattern. So if you just open all this 3 expiry, you will be referring to all the IV of all the strike price. So all the straddle IV will have similar pattern. All the different strangles of the Nifty 16 July will have similar pattern. So whenever there is an IV spike in 22,400 and 22,300 strangle, it will have similar IV pattern even in the 22,500 call and 22,200 put option. So if you're just looking at one strangle chart or one straddle chart IV, it will have similar pattern most of the time. 99% of the time it will have similar IV pattern. So the strategy here is you can open all the expiry like this, and you can just sell the option only when there is an opportunity. For option selling, like I told, the only good time to sell the option is when there is a IV spike. If you look at the 16 July, there is one big IV spike here. So if you have sold your option at 8.15, it ultimately will fall to 20-30 points like this in ATM. For example, the straddle price is 783. And sometimes the market is very flat, or if it has fell down already, you should avoid selling here and you can do long straddle, because the IV has crashed from morning 35 to 32. So definitely you should avoid short strangles. So if there is no opportunity in this expiry, you can look at the next week expiry. For example, here there is some IV spike. So here the straddle price is it around 806. If you sold the short strangle here from 805, it fell till 793. It's around 10 points. Also here there is very huge IV spike in the next week expiry. So if you are sold at 816, it fell till 794, or even it fell till 789. So it's around 20-30 points. So if you are doing a calendar spread, you can watch multiple IV like this, and only when there is some opportunity you can do short strangle. This is for the option sellers. And for option buyers, similarly, whenever there is a huge IV crash, for example, here there is a huge IV crash in the current month expiry. So you can just buy your long straddle or long strangles here. For example, from 391, it went till 395, 396. So without any much risk, you will get 5 or 6 points. And if you look at here, there is a huge IV crash here, and the straddle price also fell down. If you have bought something around both this strike price at around 10,070, it went till 10,131. That is around 60 points. As we can see, there is lots of IV increase, but in the current month there is lots of IV crash, and the straddle price has been crashed. So ultimately it has to go up. So you can watch all the expiry, and you can do trading only when there is a very good opportunity using this automatic straddle and strangle charts. And I would recommend to use liquid chart to find the opportunity. So yeah, that's it guys. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment and I will be happy to help you. And please subscribe my channel for more updates like this. Thank you.